We had mini heart attack, but we managed to make some money. So assessment were correct, and we made another $435, $730. Not bad for 10 minutes work, right? There are different ways how to trade markets. You could trade by holding your positions for weeks or months, and there are ways how you could actually trade if you are holding positions less than 1 hour. In this video, I could actually show you how you could start to simply, profitably trade by using correct trade setups and very simple yet logical trade execution tools. So let's start and let's make a couple of good profitable trades together. Alright, now let's start with beginning. Let's correctly set up our trades. Firstly, I would say we will trade currencies with high payouts. Secondly, we will have Japanese candlesticks with 3-minute charts, because that's bread and butter for day trading. We wouldn't use any lines or something like that, but we will go for indicators. And as of indicator, we will use Bollinger Band, and we will simply adjust this Bollinger Band to 20, because it will work as a better supply and resistance lines. We have it on 20. So you see here, we had huge moves and you could use it like that. And now let's set up our risk. It will be $200 per trade, and we will trade for 1 minute. Simple, clean, efficient. And now we could actually set up our trades, and we just opened a short trade a couple of seconds ago, and we actually went lower because prices were below major moving average. We had mini heart attack, but we managed to make some money. So some money made in this trade. Rather good, right? But now let's continue and let's go forward. Now let's trade Australian dollar against Japanese yen, and here we're also seeing strong price action because markets actually have been going lower, below moving average and below major trend line. So we went short for 1 minute, 10 seconds already went, and let's see how this will go. And it's a profit, $35 booked. If you like these trade setups and if you see how this could actually be achieved, I have something for you. I have additional trade analysis, trade setups, and trading signals. All of that is free, and all you have to do is join my free Telegram channel. It's shown on the link below the video, so just click on it, join me there, and you will have additional tool to your trading, because who doesn't want to have free trading signals that could yield them profit? But with that said, let's continue our trading session. Alright, we could actually take the same markets we had before and we could go short with them as well, because as you could see, my Japanese candlesticks markets are all red. They actually have breached middle line and lower line in Bollinger Bands, and there is no indication that they might turn. So we have wonderful trading opportunity. And let's see, are the markets reversing or is it just a small dip upwards? I don't know, cannot say it yet. Assessment were correct, and we made another $435 because we had strong price action. Okay, now there is new trade in Canadian dollar against Japanese yen. You see prices previously went sharper, it went below Bollinger Band support line. Now they have reversed and they have closed above this key supply line. So my assessment was that prices will move between this support line and middle line as a major moving average. So we have roughly 30 seconds to go and to see whether our $250 trade will yield some profit. Couple of seconds to go and we are sure that we will make money here, so nothing to worry. Yes, $435 booked again. Let's move on. Okay, now we have situation in euro against Australian dollar. As you see, markets have been moving steadily upwards. It breached middle moving average as a major trend line, and it breached the upwards resistance line as upwards Bollinger Band levels. So what we did, we actually risked $250 and we have 40 seconds left of our trade to see whether we will yield our fifth trade as a profit. It was a break-even trade, sorry. It wasn't that profitable as I assisted, but we still made some good money. Okay, traders, now it's time to wrap up our trading session. We had 5 trades In this trading session, we made both upwards and downwards move. Out of these 5 trades, 4 were profitable, 1 was break-even trade, which was unfortunate. We didn't lose any money, but we could have made worse. Actually, we had to assess now what our profits were. We risked 250 per each trade, and our trades were 185 per each profitable trade. So 180 times 4, this is something like $730. Not bad for 10 minutes work, right? But you know what to do if you want to trade this like this. Join my free Telegram channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch how I trade, get free trading signals, and let's make money together.